wise lady. For you.
Which is stronger, an African bush elephant or a dung beetle? Of course, African elephants are the largest animals on Earth. But considering the strength-to-weight ratio, many small animals are much stronger than large animals. Here, the list of 5 strongest animals in the world based on strength-to-weight ratios. 5. Elephant. Elephants are highly social animals with incredible memories. This could be attributed to their large brains, which can reach over 5 kilograms in mass. Elephants are smart, social and incredibly strong creatures. An elephant's trunk is so powerful and precise that it can carry calves and also be used for more delicate tasks like picking flowers. As the largest land mammal, the elephant also has the longest pregnancy at 22 months. Newborn calves weigh around 90 kilograms and are about 3 feet tall. It is believed that years ago there were more than 300 species of elephant, however today there only remains 2, the Asian and African species. The African elephant is the largest, with huge ears and unisex tusks. The Asian elephant has a large body too, but with smaller ears. The females also do not develop tusks for this species. 4. Eagle. Eagles are admired the world over as living symbols of power, freedom, and transcendence. Eagles are some of the largest birds. They are at the top of the food chain, with some species feeding on big prey like monkeys and sloths. Eagles have amazing eyesight and can detect prey up to 2 miles away. Eagles are birds of prey in the family Accipitridae. There are approximately 60 different species. The majority are found in Eurasia and Africa, with only 14 species found in other areas including North, Central, and South America, and Australia. With the exception of some vultures, eagles are generally larger than other birds of prey. They have strong muscular legs, powerful talons and large hooked beaks that enable them to rip the flesh from their prey. Eagles vary in size. One of the smallest species, the little eagle, is around 17.7 to 21.7 inches. In contrast, Steller's sea eagle is around 36 to 42 in size, and wingspan can reach approximately 72 to 96 inches. 3. Gorilla. Scientists have shown that gorillas live in complex social groups, display individual personalities, make and use tools, and show emotions like grief and compassion. We shouldn't be surprised though, gorillas are one of our closest living relatives, and they share at least 95% of their DNA with humans. African apes diverged from a common ancestor about 5 million years ago and belong to the family Hominidae. Gorillas are one of our closest living relatives, after chimpanzees and bonobos. They share between 95% and 99% of our DNA. Gorillas and chimpanzees walk quadrupedally and use their knuckles to carry the weight of their head and torso. There are 2 different gorilla species. The western gorilla has the subspecies, western lowland gorilla and cross-river gorilla, while the eastern gorilla has the subspecies, mountain gorilla and eastern lowland gorilla. Gorillas have been observed displaying emotions such as grief and compassion for other primates, including humans. Gorillas live in fairly stable social groups comprising of one adult male usually referred to as the silverback and multiple females with juveniles and infants. When young males reach the age of 8 to 11 they will usually emigrate away and either join another group or form new groups. 2. Leafcutter ant. Ant societies have division of labor, communication between individuals, and the ability to solve complex problems. These parallels with human societies have long been an inspiration and subject of study. More than 20,000 known ant species occur around the world, yet only 12,500 have so far been classified. Ants can lift and carry many times their own weight. In fact, the tiny leafcutter ant can lift and carry in its jaws something 50 times its own body weight of about 500 milligrams. Army ants may prey on much larger animals such as reptiles, birds, or even small mammals. Ants represent 25% or more of the animal biomass on the planet. Ants emerged along with flowering plants some 130 million years ago. By contrast, Homo, from which humans evolved, diverged only 2 million years ago. Ants communicate and cooperate by using chemicals, pheromones, that can alert others to danger or lead them to a promising food source. Ants are social insects which form colonies that range in size from a few dozen predatory individuals living in small natural cavities to highly organized colonies which may occupy large territories and consist of millions of individuals.
1. Rhinoceros beetle. Dynastini or Rhinoceros beetles are a subfamily of the scarab beetle family. Other common names, some for particular groups of rhinoceros beetles, include Hercules beetles, unicorn beetles or horn beetles. Over 300 species of rhinoceros beetles are known. The Dynastini are among the largest of beetles, reaching more than 150 mm, 6 in length, but are completely harmless to humans because they cannot bite or sting. Some species have been anecdotally claimed to lift up to 850 times their own weight. Their common names refer to the characteristic horns borne only by the males of most species in the group. Each has a horn on the head and another horn pointing forward from the center of the thorax. The horns are used in fighting other males during mating season, and for digging. The size of the horn is a good indicator of nutrition and physical health.